Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are well. If you're new to the channel, my name is Duncan Walsh and this channel is basically fitness, weight loss, lots of follow along workouts. I've designed the workouts specifically so that you can follow along in a gym, the realities of when you're in a gym, workouts that you can do at home as well, no equipment needed. If you've got your headphones on, there's all audible notifications, etc. Got programs coming soon as well. I've been in the game now about 35 years, coached, trained hundreds of people, but today we are in the kitchen. And I just thought it'd be a bit of a novel video to show you what I eat in a month. So I've just recorded what I ate each evening. It's an evening meal basically, rather than breakfast, lunch or whatever. So yeah, this is what I've eaten. I hope some of it looks tasty and might give you a few ideas for something to cook yourself. Hope you enjoy. Okay, first up is a jacket potato with roasted chicken and roasted Mediterranean vegetables. We do actually get a veg box, an organic veg box every week delivered, which is quite handy. Next one is it's just a bought pizza, this one actually, with extra toppings of olives, mushrooms and tomato. Which one's mine, which one's yours?
We're sharing them between the three of us.
Oh, how nice.
I don't know, you haven't got anything to see, these are ours.
Yeah, we're not allowed anything. Okay.
You're on a diet.
Yeah. Next up is a ham, mushroom, onion omelette with salad and jacket potato. Half already put on the plate there. Okay, very tasty one next. This was a chicken and cashew nut stir fry with broccoli, cabbage, bean sprouts, peppers, carrots, mushroom and coriander with brown rice and a homemade topping of peanut butter, soy sauce and ginger garlic. Very tasty, that one. Next up is quinoa with roasted vegetables and chicken, tomato, aubergine, courgettes, red onion, butternut squash and kale. Okay, next one, pea, broccoli, salmon pasta. The sauce was a tub of Philadelphia cheese with milk, garlic and herbs and onions. Next up's another stir fry, chicken, peas, sweet corn, cabbage, peppers, onions, carrots, ginger garlic and noodles. Another tasty one there. Another stir fry next with brown rice, broccoli, chicken, carrots, onions, celery, garlic and ginger and bok choy. Again from the organic veg box, that one. Okay, next on a roll with the stir fries here. This one's with chicken and white rice, carrots, peppers, sweet corn, mushrooms, onions, coriander and a sweet chili sauce. Okay, next is Jane's Pizza Tart, which is ready roll puff pastry, tub of Philadelphia cheese with garlic and herbs, pesto, chorizo, olives, feta cheese, tomato and mushroom. Next up is Jane's Curry, which was rice, potatoes, onions, garlic and ginger, tomatoes, coconut milk, carrots, coriander and chickpeas. So this next one was a pasta bake. It had broccoli, onions, tomato, bacon and veg, and pesto, cheese and cauliflower. Next up is jacket potatoes, tuna, sweet corn, grated cheese and vegetable mange tout, cauliflower and carrots. Moving on, the next day was dauphinoise potatoes, red cabbage, Nero kale, roasted chicken, carrot and cauliflowers. Okay, today we have chicken leek mushroom pie with broccoli, Nero kale and roasted potatoes with herbs. And this today was followed by a particularly tasty homemade apple tart. And the last one is a cottage pie, seen sizzling away there, with organic minced beef, with swede, carrots, celery, tomato, cinnamon, garlic, mashed potato, grated cheese, peas and broccoli. Goes down very nicely, this one. There you can see it on the plate. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you're not feeling too hungry now, and see you in the next video.